the mobile, and Chapter 2 just came out today, so why not let it be the perfect time to play Garten of Banban. Drag the controller for movement. I already am. Press interact icon with objects. I know that. I've already known this game for so long. Chapter 2 just released. And oh my, it looks terrifying. You thought the poster was terrifying? You thought? Well, guess what? Banbalina's is the scariest out of them all. Besides Nam, yes, that's the Blue Squid's actual name. Jumbo Josh and some others. Jumbo Josh says, eat vegetables and fruits to become strong like me. You don't look that strong. Oh, there's the drone. Why do we even have a drone? Press the boat icon to use your toy. Like we got Jumbo Josh, the white band. Banbalina, which I didn't know would be actually scarier than Opila. Opila, Banban, Captain Fiddles. I think the second chapter is all about Captain Fiddles and Banban. And Stinger Flynn, which for some reason is going to appear in chapter 3. And oh my, does he look scary! Hit this button, drone! You little dome. Okay. That's the bird. That's the bird, is it? That's the bird! Attack! Attack this silly bird. Whatever, I don't care anyways. Bye-bye, Opila. Oh god, it looks so dark. Yes, Bunzo! I'm playing the actual Banban one. Gosh, why does Opila look so scary in the dark? Yeah, eat that egg. You think we can try to find all the eggs in the dark? I think so. There. I'm calling in the drone, just in case. Yeah, go in the stomach. Oh no, no. Ah, no. No. Eggs are here. Okay, enough darkness. Let's actually get the filling. There's Opila. And then there's the playground with a slide. Can we go? I want to go down the slide. Why is the game so mean? The game is so mean. It gave us poor sensitivity, and now I can't even go on the slide. Okay, Bunzo, stop it. I want to get playing to Garten Chapter 2 when it releases on mobile. No biologies. There. The button is red. What happens now? Ooh, an egg. Yeah, I love eggs. I eat eggs for breakfast. And I don't actually eat eggs for breakfast, but still. Where's the final egg? Oh, there it is. Sorry, I had to be sounding mean. Let's go! 6 eggs in a row! Here you go, Opila. Stop looking up in the sky like Jesus is going to take you to heaven. Stop looking up in the sky. 5 eggs to feed Opila bird. Well, I already did. I already fed her eggs. Because right now, only chapter 1 is on mobile. It's the final egg. It's the final egg. Oh, there it is. Opila bird is hungry. Remember when I played Hungry Pig? This is exactly like that. Except we have to feed Opila instead of feeding ourselves. I just started an egg. Did I? Oh, I didn't. Ah! Ew, what is that? Did she gulp up cardboard? Oh, that's a key card. Never mind. Never mind. It's a key card. It's a key card. The toy cannot directly be commanded to breakable materials, such as yellow glass. Stop swearing, Ava! We're gonna get him. There we go. This grown. Yeah, Blizzard, you can have some water in this kindergarten. The end is here. Huh, well that's terrifying. What the? Banban says, here you children, your pancreas is mine. What's a pancreas? You're talking about pancakes, right? Say a pancake for her. Oh, so that's where it's open. What is this? Oh, distraction at 1. What's that mean? But we got a hammy. We got a ham. I got a piece of ham. I can just whack this bird with the hammer. I need to go. Open sesame. I said open sesame. Whatever, I guess we'll go through. Press jump icon to jump. Okay. What's this? Hmm? Oh, it's going down. It's going down. It's going down. I'm doing it. Jump. This is where we see the biggest bird, Opila. Oh, we're here. We're here! What was my color? So Jumbo Josh is green. We know that. Green. Then Opila is pink. After we do this puzzle, she's gonna appear, obviously. No, that's Flojo. There. Orange. Use orange, not yellow. Get away! Orange. Now let's just pick Bandolina's color. Is this Bandolina? No, it's Banban. This is Bandolina. Let me use the button. Oh, there we go. Wait, what is this? No, hold on. Pick the card. I alone. I want to play with the whole bird, but everyone left me. Everyone had parties without me. Miss Mason, see me, but no. I am scared because all is loud. And my friends scream in it, but bird is funny. What? That is the most BTS song I've ever heard. Who's that? That's the same beat. It's a bird. Okay, you can stop looking at me now. Wait, come on. Get away from me. Get away. Who's that goofy walk? Oh no. Dude. dominated. What have we done? Oh no, it's the whole bird, but everyone left us. Where's my drone? What the? Oh my gosh, the bird is on the platform. No, the bird was on the platform. Like, why was the bird sitting on the platform? They should have just kept it gray the entire time. So we on right when you started. Oh, I guess I was right. Droney? Opila bird? Stop it! Stop! Look at drone! The bird is gonna get me! Oh. I fell off! Living tombstone? What? I didn't say L or T. Stop looking at me, you little bird. I don't know how it turns gray, but just stop looking at me. What is up with that face, dude? Get you looking like that. Don't look at the bird. Don't look at the bird. I fell off. I don't think we're ever gonna be there. It's the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. Okay, stop looking at me like that. Stop. Get away. Okay, drone. Time to press that button. It is right there. Fall off the bird. Why these stupid? What is up with this stupid game? The stupid controls. For a second, I thought the bird wasn't on there. Okay, stop looking at me. Stop looking at me. Stop. Stop scaring me. I can't slow. It was so away from me. I don't think I can do this. This stupid bird. TLT sad emoji. TL sad emoji HF? What? You think that spells something? Oh, it's dead. Brody? You gotta help me with this one, drone. Oh. Oh, hey there. There's a mystery. Ah, no! Stupid tactic. No, it's about the control. It's not. Okay. Opila bird is dead. Let's go. Run, run, run to Jumbo. Run to jump it, man. Late. Now for the moment. Jumbo man. Jumbo Rick. I shall rehail this big man. Where is that? What? Okay, here it is. Now let's get off. Okay, let's go down.